Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be setting up my March diary. You may have seen my setup for March in a previous video, and guess why my planner is still empty? Well, the reason for that is I am currently migrating my notes from my previous planner to my new planner, which is the Hobo Hybrid from DG Sparkles. But I'll get into that in a separate video. I feel like this planner is too beautifully constructed to just fit into this video. So yeah, anyways, with that said, let's get started with our March setup. So I'm not really sure why I started during the 6th of March. Maybe I was just used to having events planned during the weekends that I didn't occur to me that there is something that week that I wanted to share with you guys. So yeah, I started the week or the setup with the 6th of March, where we went to Yakikai, which is my favorite Korean restaurant. It was my second time here. We went there to celebrate my tita's engagement party, I guess. So yeah, after that we had drinks. As you guys can see, people got drunk. Now finally starting on the first day of March, which was the same day that we reached 500 subscribers on my second channel, which is Daily Todka. So if you want to see a more unfiltered Yuna, I guess you can check that channel out as well. And if you like what you see, maybe you could consider subscribing as well. Link will be in the description box below. And on the third day of March, which was the Shopee 2-3 sale, you already know that I already splurged quite a lot in that day, and yeah, I spent way too much of my budget for the month. It was also our first time trying the Kenkatsu. We found them over on Facebook, and it was very delicious, and I totally recommend it for you guys. So their name on Facebook is just Kenkatsu. So yeah, if you want to try them out, I totally recommend the Katsu burger. So I randomly stumbled upon this IG account called Lily DIY Craft, and I was hesitating to order because I just splurged that week, and well, since I was having a mood that day, I just gave in and ordered quite a hefty amount of accessories from her, and I have to tell you guys, I didn't regret it at all. It was all totally worth it. So yeah, if you want to check her out, I'll leave her link in the description box below. So during the 10th of March, Mom and I randomly decided to eat out, and the place that we ended up going was at the Craft Cafe. And I have to tell you guys, it's been a while since the last time I went there. Like, the last time I went back, I guess I was in college. But anyways, it was my first time trying the truffle pasta, and I have to say, it will be the reason why I'll be going back there every once a month. Now, for the first highlight of that week, which was Kuya's birthday weekend, we celebrated at the Edge Resort with the extended family, and we drowned ourselves with shots and food. Just kidding. But it was an awesome weekend, and I enjoy reliving it every day. Naligo ka na ba?
Naligo na nga ako.
Nag-like kanina, di ba? Nag-truth kanina? Ulitin mo, ulitin mo. Hindi ko nakuha, hindi ko nakuha. Ayan, wait. Yan. Okay, game.
Jinky, caress a girl's face and tell her she is the most beautiful girl in the universe.
Girl in the universe.
Happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi guys! So, it's already the next hala. Anong nangyayari sa hair ko? Anyways, it's already the next day. We're on our way right now to Cainta. I didn't film much earlier this morning because we pretty much just slept in. And yeah, we had brunch and we packed our things and went home. So nothing really special happened earlier. So yeah, right now I'm at my mom. We're on our way to her friend's house because she is having a house blessing ba tawag dun? House blessing. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be filming a lot because it's not our house and I don't wanna invade their personal space and all that with the vlog, but yeah, I'll keep you posted of what will happen today. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys or talk to you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so we're here. We're just waiting for a parking spot. I just wanna quickly share pala this mask chain. Ang tawag dito? Mask chain ba? Mask beaded chain that I got from Instagram. Ano, can you hear me? Ayan. I got this cute little chain made customized at Lily Designs. I really like it. Ang cute ng details. Thanks, ma. Sobrang maganda yung detail. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko. Makanta ka daw. So on the 17th of March, we said hello to another member of the family. She was gifted to us by my uncle, and even though I know that pets are a huge responsibility and are not something to be gifted, we are very much aware of that, and we were supposed to adopt a new puppy, but then it just so happened that my uncle's dog gave birth to a few puppies that they just couldn't handle all of them, so he decided to just gift us one, and so that it would still be part of the family and they would get the chance to visit her anytime that they want to. And finally, on the 22nd of March, my YouTube channel has finally been monetized. I felt like crying the day I received that email from YouTube, so I want to take this time to thank all of you guys who supported me and my channel, because without you guys, this will never happen. YouTube is something that I've always wanted to do, and hopefully starting today, it will be something I can do full time. Anyways, I love you guys, and I promise to create more beautiful content for all